All right, everybody, welcome to our exercise unit. We're going to learn a few things in this video. Specifically, we're going to learn about terminology for working out, and then we're going to spend some time at the end and talk about our alphabet workout. If you are unfamiliar with what the alphabet workout is, we'll spend a lot of time on this throughout all our units. It's just an easy way for us to throw some good workouts together, and you'll be learning a lot of different exercises with that one. So let's get started. Let's get started with exercise terminology. Let's talk about what the difference is between a set, a rep, and a circuit. So a rep, this is short for repetition, fits in a set fits in a circuit, multiple circuits make a workout. Now I know that's just words, let's dive a little bit deeper. So if you take a look at this, a workout is the overall exercise that you're doing. A circuit is a little bit more narrow, a set is even more narrow, and then reps are at its most simple form. A repetition is how many times you do a single exercise. Example, if you do 20 crunches, that's 20 reps. Pretty simple. A set is one occurrence of a certain amount of reps. So let's say you have 25 reps with jumping jacks and you have to do them 3 times in your workout. That's 3 different sets. Usually in a workout, you will do multiple sets of exercises. So a circuit is one completion of all the exercises in the workout. When one circuit is complete, you go back to the beginning of your workout to start over and complete your second circuit. So a circuit is basically a series of exercises performed one after the other. When you complete one circuit, then you go back and start right at the beginning. And many times to complete a whole workout, it'll be 3 to 4 different circuits. All right, let's go over some examples. So in this workout, there would be 15 push-ups, 25 jumping jacks, 20 sit-ups, 10 burpees, 10 squat jumps, and 10 lunges. Okay, this is one specific circuit. So if you do the circuit 3 times, you'll have completed 3 sets of push-ups, 3 sets of jumping jacks, 3 sets of sit-ups, 3 sets of burpees, 3 sets of squat jumps, and 3 sets of lunges. So if we do the math, you will have done 45 push-ups by the end. And how the workout would work is you would do 15 push-ups, you would take a little 20-second break, then you get right into 25 jumping jacks, 20-second break, 20 sit-ups, so on and so forth. Once you complete that one time, that is one circuit done, and you would do 3 to complete the whole workout. So sometimes your workout won't be a circuit and you'll just do sets and reps only. It just depends. All right, let's take a little bit of time and talk about the alphabet workout now. So if you take a look at this page here, you'll be seeing this on a lot of your lessons and units here. We call this one the physical education workout. Now if you take a look here, each letter of the alphabet, I'm currently on the A, has a workout that's associated. And with each workout, you can click right on the YouTube link that will show you how to do the workout. So A equals arm circles, B equals burpees, C calf raises, D donkey kicks, E elbow planks, and so on and so forth. Now, for many of you, you don't know how to do something like a donkey kick or a glute bridge or a trapezius shrug. So it would be important for you to click on the link to watch the video of myself or one of the other teachers explaining how to do the workout. So for this workout, we would spell out physical education, where the P equals push-ups, you would do 10. The H equals high knees, you would do 30 total high knees, and then so on and so forth. And completing the physical education portion one time is one circuit, and then you would do that 3 total times to complete the workout. Now, when you do a physical education workout or the alphabet workout specifically, we can change that around. We can call it anything we want to call it. We can call it, nutrition week workout, or we can call it, anything you want. You come up with a name, and due to the fact that each letter has a different workout, it creates a new and different and fun and energetic workout each week, which is what we want to go for. We want to get you motivated to move your body and to be active. So in its simple form, this is how the alphabet workout goes. And like I said, we want you to have some fun with it. When you are doing these workouts, in order to make sure that you are completing it, what we are going to ask you to do is you are going to be filming yourself on a time-lapse video. Most of us have a phone where we're able to do that. There's a setting right there on your phone. If you're unable to do that, you'll just ask me, and we'll help you out. But that way, this workout should take 20 to 30 minutes at least. So that way, if you are doing a time-lapse video, we can make sure you're doing the workout in, just 2 or 3 minutes, whatever the case may be. So welcome to our workout unit, our workout lesson. This is just a quick overview. We do hope that you enjoy it. We do hope that you are staying active and moving your body. And we'll move on from there.